ช่วยไปเคลียร์นิดนึงนะช่วยเคลียร์ครับคุณผู้ฟังดีเลยGood evening บองเจียบ่น้อยจีบ่น้อยจีบ่น้อยจีนี่นะtonight for the how say Amazon I maybe come to Amazon go to there maybe 1 month before last year November 8 I go to Brazil Indigo call me go to training the chiropractic same to do the in the afternoon and after that maybe 3 times I go to Sapporo in ITM and after go to Q Haba do the teaching session in yoga center and after that go to Rio Rio after that Christmas before Diego asked me you teaching go maybe before after 2 weeks teaching finish where you want to go I say I don't know but I have friend in the Amazon maybe 10 years ago 2016 9 years 10 years ago I meet him in Hawaii after that in Hawaii maybe live in the sun and leader of the village and second time meet him in 2018 in the Frank Lyon in the my master temple and after that I have to want to I go Brazil I want to look him visit him in village Amazon before my master in France he go a lot of time Amazon he will call me want to go learn the medicine from the Amazon but I don't know inside the Amazon what medicine I don't understand after finish ไปเลยฟังเข้าใจมั้ย
Okay you guys need translate or not
you translate Portuguese translate Spain บอกว่าฉันจะพยายามพูดภาษาอังกฤษแล้วฝึกพูดเยอะๆหน่อยได้somebody not understand English have not a little bit I think same me I listen a little bit and speak a little bit before come to the Amazon I don't know how to speak so much because in there no Thailand no Chinese no Indonesia no everything I want to practice more and more English speak for my translate in the Portuguese I บอกว่าI ฉันจะพยายามพูดให้เข้าใจแต่ ไปถึงไหนเมื่อกี้ อะไรถึงไหนyeah I want to go Amazon I go after that I go contact my friend in the Amazon the Yawanawa the group the company group it have contact and it was say very expensive you don't go there very far very dangerous after that I want to I want to take the translate Thai translate English like this if no translate I cannot come I very sad cannot go like this but I contact have to translate one Thai person he want to go but he husband don't keep go because if you go Amazon you die in Amazon I don't go to take you if you die in the forest he also don't go second to after that I come to up to Indigo he want to plan my go visit he said to the Chaninawa and same Yanawa same but he say same as I can say Amazon I can go like this he sent after that he contact after he sent me go contact already maybe 24 I go Brasilia live in Brasilia one night after that 25 go to Kisama go to the Yaninawa village in Fejo in the Fejo city they have come to airport by the car 6 hours very far the road tum also a lot not good the road and after that I go to home I very happy I maybe 11 o'clock or 5 o'clock at the village all the village people come to stay in the hall maybe have 20 or 30% come to say welcome this what this why this Sunday after that and night time maybe 10 o'clock we have to start for the Christmas I also join the party and I sleep in the center the down the mountain in there but only me and another 2 doctor and another very dark very nice only have the spotlight and not have the big light a little bit can I sleep maybe I think Amazon I sometimes I look the TV very dangerousอะไรนะ snake อะไรนะ anaconda the first night I cannot sleep because the กิ่งไม้อะไรนะ the tree boom the landing and a lot of the sound I take the airport after that I want to sleep maybe I can sleep maybe 2 o'clock I don't know I sleep and I have to landing and all the ไฟมันดับno light I very dark theตึ๊บI say I ฉันกลัวเลยนะอะโวคาโดงูใหญ่จะมากินเราไปหรือเปล่าแล้วก็ eat me thinking and cannot after that caught the FI sleep the morning maybe 5 o'clock but say I ฉัน never die I not die already happy okay never die after that first day maybe 26 or 77 I forget after Christmas they do for me the ayahuasca first time I don't know ayahuasca what ayahuasca I don't know but I listen for my pastor go there and he say the medicine very good after that maybe one week before 1 week I go to look the ayahuasca I very กลัวมากๆนี่เลย
He's very scared.
Very scared after that I eat or not eat good or not good because I look some people is building very dangerous you can die after that I post my Facebook who I ask my student who have to drink ayahuasca can talk for me. Another first one, my student YY in there. He talk, Ajahn, you never mind, you can drink, don't worry. Oh, I have one person. And number two, number two, Paula, Lola, Mula said, oh Ajahn, very good. You want to drink? You go Amazon there. You want to drink? After that, I asked him, how many times you drink? She said, I drink 6 times already. Oh, I said, okay, good. He said, very good. I don't know. Drink. First day, they do ceremony. I think 26 or 27. But to follow me. Follow me. After that, before he want to call for me and translate. I understand a little bit, not understand. After that, maybe 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. After night time, do something. But I don't know. After if I last one eat the ayahuasca. First time I think very upper shock and like we call think I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. I have to look everything the burger not clear. The have a lot of the medicine for all the body. Maybe I think 1 hour. All the I eat the evening same I eat spaghetti. Come outside. 2 or 3 times I want to die. After that, there are maybe 2 hours after they are play music. Maybe get up. All the night time, maybe 8 or 9 to the 4 o'clock. I have a little bit wake up already. I never die. I look there, maybe I bet the sun, what time sun to up. I come to look there, now 4 o'clock. Now 5 o'clock. Have to light already. Second time, I wake up. Before first day, in the forest. At second time, in the ayahuasca. After 2 days, and have people to come to ceremony, maybe 30% on the court. Doctor, lawyer, a lot of people come to. First day they are come send me. They are come to have to show the village. Maybe 30 minutes. I'm not 30 minutes. After night time, he will come. He do the lape. Same. Tonight is who want to lape with the she and me. I can help you. And don't do never mind. Same. He sing a song in the outside in the fire. After I sing the number 1, he want to do my number 1. I do ayahuasca. I don't want. I do people first. I want to look die or not. It die and not do. It not die. I thinking first. After he do finish, maybe 30%. I look the never. Everybody no problem. After that, okay, he welcome. I want to do. Wow, my God! So the head, same the nuclear down. After number 2, my head same. I don't know nuclear what my head very hot. And after my hand cannot control, my leg cannot control, and my head also. I really. Iจับชีพจรmy heart ตึม I think I never die. I want to die. I don't know. I really ก็กลัวเหมือนกัน After that he take my go to then in the but cannot walk, cannot stand up because I เมานี่แหละ
You feel like you get drunk, but it's not.
after that, Chairman have to relax and like this. After finish, I can go. I walk sing a song aloud. After maybe I think the do have maybe to the maybe 9 o'clock and go back sleep maybe 2 o'clock. Sometimes 10 o'clock also can sleep already. Okay, but I do everything. I do Osaka first time. I thinking I do only time finish. Same the do happen. Oh, I think I not do it. I got because I not drinking or not smoking, not everything. I first time I do the latte. I very yes. After that, maybe I did maybe 1 week ago. I have to send malaria hot because the hospital. Oh, a lot of the body very hot. I eat the medicine, the paracetamol and a lot of medicine. But I headache and hot, not down. I think if I die in Amazon, how do my mother cannot protect me and people son my family, I think no people go there. I think, but I ask the person, shaman, and Lape can help for the headache, the hot. He said, I want to do. He do for me. Oh my God, the headache not have already. Oh, very fast. First, second time. Oh, I really like Lape. And I do 2 times, 3 times. I ask him. Why I do every time I do happy and I have to for the headache off. He said my body have not connect the medicine. If you connect the medicine, you can no problem. Same said the people he do the latte. Sometimes he do the smoking, do the everything. Yeah. Sometimes he same like this. Before I come Thailand, it come this 1 month. First time I go to do the Sapporo is my who father mother no come. The bipolar. The indigo and after that. After do the for the mom, I did that. Oh, same like this. He don't. He have the highความดันสูง. After that, I do for him. Oh, maybe 1 hour. He really upper shock. I think same me first time. After that, he have to go and go to the come back. Oh. He smiled, everybody come, thank you. He said, he go to look the God. Do that way, you can see the God. I don't know. After that, I come back in Thailand last month, this day. And second person, I do for my diver and my mom. My mom 86, last 10. After I found to Thai my diver first, he headache same me. He after and he had to not he sick. After จิตใจ come. I have latte for you. Oh, he's same. After that he want to call Thailand. He come to Thailand. He sleep his home. After that I do for my mom. Oh, my mom also same. But I do very strong. Because I go the Yanawa. Another village a lot later. He do very strong. Oh, same I do for my mom also same very strong. Oh, mama like this. This not effect. This for the connect. I don't know. Have the when I want to the give the chairman in Thailand chairman say for you first because it's who have to do latte already.
Anybody here have experience?
Plant, sacred plant medicine. Is anybody here have an experience of the sacred plant medicine? I mean, like endless. Okay, great.
นะไม่เคยเลยนี่คนไหน
Can you put your hand?
อ๋อได้ถ้าคนเคยทำเนี่ยเดี๋ยวจะทำก่อน
Okay.
บอก
We will give you.
ถ้าคนเคยทำเนี่ยจะไม่ค่อยมีปัญหาเพราะว่ามันมีอะไรนะมันมีเซลล์แล้วแต่ถ้าคนยังไม่เคยทำเนี่ยอาจจะเกิดอาการวิงเวียนศีรษะหน้าลูกตาลายว่าอันนี้ไม่ต้องกลัวยามันก็เดี๋ยวประมาณสักไม่กี่อย่างมากไม่เกิน2ชั่วโมงเดี๋ยวก็กลับมาปกติเราพูดเดี๋ยวจะให้อันนี้พูดเกี่ยวกับเรื่องทำลาเป้จะเกิดอะไรขึ้น
Okay, thank you. It's very honest for Prajan to share us an experience. That's very profound. Anyway, I'm very honored to have you here because it's very special for us in the term of the morning class and the evening class.